Hey, it's Miss Schmidl here, and I have a couple quick tips I want to share with you about the Cami app. Some things that I've noticed. If you're using text to speech, this will help you out. So if you are not a fan of the robotic voice, if you click on text to speech here on the right-hand menu, and you go down to change the voice, you can change it to a different type of speaking voice, but you can also change the language in which it speaks. So that's really helpful for some of you guys who maybe English is not your native language, or you're just not a fan of that robot voice David desktop. You can change to some other speaking voices. The other thing you can do is you can click the read the page and you can slow it down or speed it up using this little time clock. So it makes it a little bit easier to understand when you press play. So
principle of sovereignty means that all states are.
So hopefully you heard a little bit of a snippet of how we'll read and slow it down, but that should really help you guys understand what is going on in these texts. Or if you just are like me and there's a word that you don't know, but you want to make sure that you understand how it's said, you can just click on that one part and it will read it aloud to you. So hopefully that will help you guys. Don't forget about the dictionary function as well.